make a mistake. Do not write equals. Do we care how much this fraction and multiplication times sine of 60, do we care how much that is? No, we don't. We want to find the size of angle A. So do not write equals A equals etc. because this quantity is not equal to A. This is equal to the sine of A. So here's a place where you can't continue to write equal signs, put a comma. Take the arc sine of this and, oh, arc sine. Does that mean inverse trig function? We're trying to find an angle. We're not using, even though we're going to use in our calculator this button, we are not limited to this inverse trig function stuff. Because are we going to get a fourth quadrant size angle in a triangle class?
No.
No, we're not. We're not going to get an angle between 270 and 360, definitely not. For inverse trig function, what kind of angle would we have to list for inverse trig function? What kind of angles is our calculator going to give us, class?
Negative.
Negative angle. Are we going to have negative angles in triangles? No. We're not dealing with this. We're trying to find the size of an angle. George has a question, comment.
I think you have it written wrong. We're not, sine of A is not equal to 22 or 30. Isn't that sine of B is equal to?
Look at there. Yeah. All of that ranting and raving about the wrong value. This was in our calculation here. You know, I was just seeing if anybody was paying attention. It's about time somebody got that. Man, I was just really bugged by that. No, thank you, George. Right, so sine of A is in the calculation. So back over here, we're trying to find the size of angle B.